Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things, and I just have a short video showing a fun extracurricular specialty use of some DSP from Stampin' Up. This is a Murphy bed. It is in our guest room, so it has a very skinny mantle, and I went to our Nature Center's flea market today, and I ended up finding a nice lamp here with a really heavy skinny base. That they had three different ones. They had a black base with a certain shape, then they had a oiled bronze with a little different shape that I thought was a little too big, and then this one, and it came with a fat, I guess a more of an angled, like an A-line dress shaped cover for the lampshade. And so what I did, knowing that I would have to use like a half a lampshade, I actually had some extra white velvet Stampin' Up specialty DSP that is now retired, I believe. And I actually used command strip Velcro to make a half circle, and then I have applied it to the wall. So now when I want to close the Murphy bed, all I have to do is carefully remove the Velcroed half. I say that, and I'm trying to make sure that I don't tear anything, because this is the first time I've actually taken it off. And I thought I should video, and I paid $3 for this lamp, including its shade. And the bulb came too. So now when I want to close it up, I can go ahead and close it up with the little half moon. In fact, I'll probably just leave it sitting like that when I have it closed. And there you have it, another special DIY episode of using Stampin' Up products around the house. Be sure to leave any comments if you have any of your own suggestions for special projects around the house that you can use Stampin' Up products for. Please leave them here on the video or over on my blog. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.